Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well. This is Mitali Sharma, your maths teacher, and today I am going to discuss chapter 1, numbers and numeration, with you all. So our first topic is place value of a digit. Now, what is place value of a digit? And the place value system is the one in which the position of a digit in a number determine its value, or we can say that place value of a digit depends on the place it occupies in the chart. Suppose we have 42,634 and we want to calculate the place value of each digit. So let's start with 4. 4 is at ones place, so we can calculate its place value by multiplying the face value of this digit by the value of its place. Now what is the value of its place? 4 is at ones place, so its value is 1. So after multiplying 4 by 1, we'll get 4. So we can say that the place value of 4 is 4. Now 3 is at tens place, as you can see in the table. So we will calculate its place value by multiplying 3 by the value of the place, that is 10. 3 is at 10th place. So after multiplying both the numbers, we'll get 30. So the place value of 3 is 30. Similarly, 6 is at 100th place, so we will multiply 6 by 100, and after multiplying we'll get 600. So the place value of 6 is 600. Similarly, 2 is at 1000th place, so we will multiply 2 by 1000 and we'll get 2000. So the place value of 2 is 2000. Place value of 4 is 40,000. Now let's start activity 1. Our next topic is Indian place value chart. Now in Indian place value chart, there are 4 periods and 9 places. So let's start. Here the first place is of ones, second place is of tens, third place 100, then 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. The places ones, tens and 100 comes under ones period. The places 1000 and 10,000 comes under 1000 period. The place lakh and 10 lakh comes under lakh period. Crore and 10 crore comes under crore period. Now the ones period is the period of 3 places. As you can see, there are 3 places under period ones. Now 1000 period is the period of 2 places. Lakh period is the period of 2 places. As you can see, there are 2 places under lakh period. And crore period is the period of 2 places, and we separate each period. I'm again repeating, we separate each period by putting comma. So let's take an example. Our first question is put commas and then write the following numerals in word. So first of all, we'll write the place value chart, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Now we will put all the digits under each place, like 5. Starting from, always we have to start from right. 4, then 7, then 3, 8 and 4. As I told you earlier that in Indian place value chart, each period is separated by putting commas. So we can see that ones period is a period of 3 places, so we will put first comma after 100. So in this question we'll put first comma after 7. Now 1000 period is a period of 2 places, so we'll put the next comma after 10,000. Now after applying comma, we will write it in words. So 4 is at lakh place, so we will write 4 lakh. 83 thousand, 745. So now I'm repeating it. 4,83,745. Now moving on to the next question. First of all, we will write down the places, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So we'll put each digit under each place. 8, 8, 1, 7, 3, 5, 2. Again one number is left, so we'll write after 10 lakh crore comes, so we'll write 2 here. Now we'll put the commas. First comma is after ones period, then the second comma after thousand period, then third comma after lakh period. Now we will write it as 2 crore because 2 is at crore place. 2 crore. 25 lakh. 37,000, because 37 comes under the thousand period, that's why I have written 1,000. 188. I'm repeating it. 2 crore, 25 lakh, 37,188. Now our third topic is international place value system. As you all can see, in international place value system there are 3 periods and 9 places. I'm reading it. First place is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. Now, like Indian place value system, ones period is the period of 3 places, 1,000 period is the period of 3 places, and millions period is the period of 3 places. And like Indian place value system, we will also separate each period by putting commas. So here is the example. Our question number 2 is put commas and then write the given numeral in words. This question is similar to question number 1, but the difference is that in that question we have converted the numeral according to the Indian place value system, but here we have to write in words in this question according to the international place value system. So first of all, we will write down the places according to international place value system. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 100,000 and million. Now we will put each digit under each place. 9 starting from the right. We have to always start from the right. 4, 6, 0, 0, 3 and 5. Now we'll put the commas. So first we will put the comma after 100, then second comma after 100,000. Now we have to write it in words. So we will start it as 5 is at million place, so we will write it as 5 million. 300,000, 649. As you can see, 5 is at million place, so we will write it as 5 million. 300. Now 300 comes under the thousand period, so we will write it as 300,000. 6 is at 100 place, so we will write it 600 and then 49. 5,300,649. Now the next question is ones, tens. We will write down the places: 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million and 10 million. Now we'll put the digits: 8, 8, 1, 6, 5, 2, 8 and 9. Now after putting the digits, we'll place the commas, that is after 3 digits, then again after 3 digits. Now we'll write it in words, that is 98 comes under the million period, so we will write it as 98 million. 256 comes under the thousand period, so we will write it as 256,000. 1 is at 100 place, 100, then 88. Now the next question is write the following in figures. Now you have given in words, the question in words, and you have to convert it in figures. This is just the opposite of question number 1 and 2. So first of all, we have to write down the places: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. As the question is according to the Indian place value system, so that's why we will write the places according to Indian place value system. Now read it step by step. 56 crore, so we will write 56 under crore period. The next 55 lakh, then we will write 55 under lakh period. The next is 4,000, we will write 4 under thousand period. Then 700, 83, and then we have to put the commas. First comma we'll put after 100, then after the next period, that is 1,000, then after lakh period. Next part is 78,743,149. So again we have to write down the places, but this time we'll write down the places according to International Place Value Chart, as the question is according to International Place Value Chart. Tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Now read it step by step. 78 million, so we will write down 78 under million period. Next is 743,000, so we will write down 743 under thousand period. 149. Now we'll put the commas. So as you all know that in international system we will put commas after three digits, that is first comma after 100, then next comma after 100,000. Moving on to the next question, that is rewrite the following numbers in the Indian system. Now as you can see that the question is also in numeral, and but it is in the form of international place value chart according to the international place value chart, but you have to convert it according to the Indian system. That is, you just have to arrange the commas according to Indian system. No need to write down it in words, you just have to put the commas accordingly. So first of all, we'll write down the number but without comma. 3 8 9 1 4 0 2. Now we'll put commas, but before that we will write down the places above each digit. That is, 2 is at ones place, then tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Now we'll put the commas. As you know that in Indian system, first comma is after 100, then after 10,000. So this is the answer. You just have to put the commas according to the question. Like in this question, you have to convert it in Indian system, so put the commas according to Indian system. That is, first comma after 3 digits, then after 2 digits. Now next question, again we will write down the digits but without putting comma. Now just write down the places above each digit: tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. First comma after 3 digits, then after 2 digits. Now the second question is, this question is just same as question number 4, but the difference is that in this question you have to write both the numbers according to the international system. As you can see, the numbers given here are according to Indian system, but you have to convert it according to international system. This question is just same as question number 4. So first of all, you have to write down the digits without putting commas. After writing the digit, you have to write down the places above each digit. That is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Now we'll put comma, and in international system we'll put comma after 3 digits. That is, first comma after 100. Then in this question, write down the digits, and after that write down the places: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. Now we'll put the commas. First comma after 3 digit, that is after 100, then after 100,000. Now activity 2, and the topic number is 4. Place value and face value. Now what is place value? Place value, it is the position of a digit in a number according to the place value chart, or we can say that place value depends on the place it occupies in the chart. Now what is face value? Face value is the digit itself regardless of its position in the number. Face value is the digit itself. We will not consider that which place or what place it occupies in the chart. We will write it as the digit itself. Now the formula to calculate the place value is face value of that digit multiplied by the value of the place it occupies. Now the question related to the place value and face value is, find the place value and face value of 3 in 8,35,182. Now how can we calculate the place value and face value? Let's start. First of all, I'm calculating place value. Place value of 3. As you can see that the formula of place value is face value of that digit multiplied by the value of the place it occupies. So the place value of 3, first of all we will write down the face value of 3. So the face value of 3 is 3 multiplies by the value of the place it occupies. So 3, as we can see, 3 is here and 3 is at ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 3 is at 10,000 place, so we will multiply it by 10,000. After multiplying, we'll get 30,000. So the place value of 3 in this number is 30,000. Now, face value. Now what is face value? I have told you that face value is the digit itself. So we can write it as the face value of 3 is 3. Now moving on to the next question. The question is find the difference in the place values of the 8 in the number 25 crore 83 lakh 82,127. So in this question we have to calculate the place value of 8. As you can see, there are 8 in this number, so we have to calculate the place value of this 8 and this 8 also, and after that whatever will be the result we have to subtract both the numbers. So let's start. First of all, we will write down the number. Now, after writing down the number, just write down the place over each digit. Now, place value. अगर मैं we can make arrows to calculate the place values of both 8. First of all, I'm talking about this 8. So as you all know that the formula to calculate the place value is face value multiplied by the value of the digit. So we will write, first of all we'll write the face value of 8 and then multiply it by the place it occupies in the chart, that is 8 is at 10,000 place. You can see that 8 is at 10,000 place, so we will multiply it by 10,000 and after multiplying we will get 80,000. Now moving on to the next 8 in the number. First of all we will write down the face value of this 8 and then multiply it by the place it occupies in the chart. As you can see, 8 is at 10 lakh place, so we will multiply it by 10 lakh. So we will get 80 lakh. Now the next step is we have to calculate the difference of the place value of both 8. And you all know how to subtract the two numbers. First of all, we will write down the bigger number, as this is 80 lakh and this is 80,000. 80 lakh is greater than 80,000. So first of all, we will write down 80 lakh and then 80,000, starting from the right. Zero, then again 0, 0, 0. As you can see that we cannot subtract 8 from 0, so we will take borrow from here. So we will borrow 1 from here, 9 and 10. 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 and 7. So the answer will be the difference of the 28 in the number 25 crore 83 lakh 82,127 is 79 lakh 20,000, and this is the answer. Now the next topic is expanded form and short form. Now expanded form. What is expanded form? Expanded form is the sum of the place value of each digit. And what is short form? Writing in numeral by placing commas properly. Just have to write down a numeral and after that just put commas. And short form is also known as standard form. Short form and standard form both are same, only terms are different. And expanded form is sum of the place value of each digit. You have to calculate the place value of each digit. Now question next is write in expanded form, and the question here is 75 lakh 56,063. So as I have told you earlier that expanded form is the sum of the place value of each digit. So to convert this number in expanded form, we will calculate the place value of each digit, each and every digit. First of all, just write down the places over each digit: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, and 10 lakh. Now we will calculate the place value of each digit, and you know how to calculate the place value. Just put arrows first of all, as it will be easier for you to calculate. Now starting from the right, 3 multiplied by 1, as 3 is at 1's place, 3. Next 6 is at 10's place, so we will multiply it by 10, that is 60. Now 0, no need to of multiplication, as after multiplication it will again be 0. 6 multiplied by 6 is at 1000 place, so we will multiply it by 1000 is equals to 6000. Then next is 5 is at 10,000 place, so we will multiply it by 10,000, that is 50,000. The next 5 at 1 lakh place, 5 lakh. Then 7 at 10 lakh place, 70 lakh. Now we have to show it in the form of sum of the place value of each digit. So we will write it as 70 lakh plus 55 lakh plus 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 0 plus 60 plus 3, and you can avoid it also, as there is no value of 0. So this is how you can calculate the expanded form. You don't have to add these numbers, you just have to write it in this form. This is the expanded form. Now the next question is write in short form or standard form. Both are same. For converting the expanded form, this question is just the opposite of expanded form. Like here you have given a numeral and you have to write it in expanded form, but in the next question, in this question, expanded form is given and you have to write a numeral for it. That is, first of all you have to write down the places: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Now we will put each digit under each place. starting from H lakh, as we can see that ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. As 8 is at crore place, so we will write down 8 under crore place. Next is 70 lakh, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So we will write down 7 0 70 under the lakh period. Now the next is 6 lakh, 6 comes here. The next is 50,000, 5 is at 10,000 place, so we will write down 5 here. 4 is at 1000 place, ones, tens, 100,000, so we will write 4 here. 3 is at 100 place, then 2 is at 10th place, and then 1. And then we have to put the commas according to the Indian system. As you can see in question, the commas are put according to the Indian system. First after 3 digits, then after 2 digits, comma, then again after 2 digits, then again after 2 digits. Or this is the first method by which you can calculate short form, and the other method, or you can say that if you want to check this answer, so you can simply just add these set of numbers. First of all, write down this number 80 crore, then 70 lakh under it, then next and if you will add these numbers, after adding these numbers you will get the same number. So this is how you can check your answer. So the next is this. Write down the places. As you can see, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So we will write 10 crore under crore column. Next is 40 lakh. We will write down 40 under lakh period. Then 20,000 under 1000 period. Then 707. There is nothing under the tens period, so we will write here as 0. And after this, just put the commas first after 3 digits, then after 2 digits, and this will be the answer. So class, that's all for today. We have discussed so many topics. First of all, we have discussed the place value of a digit, then we have discussed Indian place value chart, then after this we discuss international place value system, then we have done so many questions related to these topics, and after that for topic number 4 was place value and the face value. Then the topic number 5 and the last topic was expanded form and short form. I hope you all understand all the topics and the question which I have solved. That's all for today, and we'll discuss the rest of the topics and the questions related to those topics in our next class. Thank you.